Oh my god, you're so dramatic! Oh, you're dramatic, you missed it again!
Now you can create real and lifelike videos using Seedance 2.0 without spending much money. And the best part is, Seedance now supports higher resolution as well. This entire clip is generated using Seedance 2.0. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these kinds of videos. And yes, you'll get unlimited credits with no subscription required. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is an all-in-one AI platform, and recently, they've added Seedance 2.0 standard and fast modes. Now you can access them with all plans, along with unlimited generation. Yes, you heard that right, you can generate unlimited videos using Seedance 2.0. Now you might be thinking, why use Higgsfield? I recommend using Higgsfield for Seedance 2.0 because it gives you everything in one place: image generators, video generators, audio tools, and many other AI tools. Plus, Higgsfield launches new AI features almost every week, so you stay ahead in the AI race and get access to the latest tools first. They also share ready-made Seedance 2.0 examples that you can watch and even recreate using the same prompts. On top of that, they've created one of the first AI series using Seedance 2.0. You should definitely check it out. As we all know, Seedance 2.0 handles complex motion, interactions, and real-world behavior with a level of consistency that finally makes AI video reliable. That's exactly why it's breaking the internet right now. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Then click on Seedance 2.0 and it will take you to the generation page. So first of all, we need prompts. For that, I'm using Claude. I wrote a simple prompt. As you can see, the idea can come from anywhere, so just ignore any spelling errors. After that, Claude generates detailed prompts for my videos, so now, I have all the prompts ready, and they even include dialogues. To be honest, Claude adds every single detail into the prompts, which makes the process much easier. After that, head over to Higgsfield. You can generate videos using image to video or reference to video. I also create videos using my own face. You can check that through the link in the description. For these videos, we don't rely on any image, but if you want consistency, you can go for image to video or reference to video. So, I'll paste my prompt, then select the Seedance 2.0 model. We can choose between standard and fast mode as well. I'm going with standard mode. Next, select the duration. We can go up to 15 seconds. Then choose the aspect ratio. If you want short videos, select 9:16, and for long videos, go with 16:9. After that, select the video quality. We can go up to 1080p resolution. And this resolution is available only in Higgsfield. Finally, click Generate. And here is the result.
You're shedding like crazy today. Are you okay, Fluffball?
See, the result is amazing. It looks like a real person taking care of their cat. And trust me, these kinds of videos are going viral on Instagram and YouTube. Just imagine how many views you can get and how much money you can make using these videos. Let's generate one more time, just replace the prompt. And don't worry, you'll get all the prompts in the description and our Discord server. The rest of the steps are the same, just click Generate, and here is the result.
Oh my god, you're so dramatic! Oh, you're dramatic, you missed it again!
See, the result is incredible. It feels like a real-life moment where someone is naturally playing with her cat. The realism is just next level. So, using the same steps, I generated all these videos. All these videos are created using Seedance 2.0, and the best part is, you don't have to wait hours for the generation process. It's very fast. Let's go through all the videos and get some inspiration from them.
You always find me no matter where I sleep, don't you? I know you hate this, but it's gonna make you feel better, I promise. Okay, it's all done. Good girl.
Oh my god, you're so dramatic! Oh, you're dramatic! You missed it again!
You're shedding like crazy today. Are you okay, Fluffball?
Come on, baby. Breakfast is ready. Yes, this is your favorite one.
As you can see, the result is amazing. Trust me, you can create even better videos than mine. With today's advanced AI tools, you can literally create anything. Higgsfield is offering free and unlimited generation with all plans, and right now they're running a special discount of up to 70% off. You get access to multiple AI tools in one place at a very affordable price. Honestly, using Cedence at this price is totally worth it, and on top of that, you get many other AI tools with unlimited generation. I'll leave the link in the description, so go check it out. And if you want to get free credits, make sure to check the description as well. And if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.